By now, Vertex Energy Inc. is not exactly that new to you anymore. The stock ran up over 200% extension since the 26th of May 2021. You definitely know that it's acquiring a mobile Alabama Shell refining facility, and there's this company, HC Wainwright. That's their site here. They are the ones that are going to underwrite the finance that is going to be needed to take over that refining facility. So it's about $75 million, and I think they will begin production. Something, or the deal will be completed by the end of this year or something like that, and they expected to be making over $200 million by 2023. So they have an analyst, or various analysts, and this is one of them, Amit Dayal. Amit Dayal is the Emerging Director, Senior Technology Analyst. He's the one that came up with that $25 price target. A graduate of Babson College in US and University of Delhi in India. So he's the one that came up with that analyst. So but it's important that we point that out. You know, they are the ones who are going to, they're involved with the shares, and they are also the ones who came up with that price target. So you have to balance that out and, you know, do your own conclusions. So moving on, we can see, yes, I mean, like I said, you know, the stock ran up a huge gain over the 2 trading sessions, relentlessly extending. So the speculation out there is that, or rather, it's not, this first piece of information may not be a speculation. It's believed that it has 715 million authorized shares, and then there's also the speculation that it is going to raise about $500 million in a shell offering, and then there's also a speculation that there will be some debt financing, that's some equity sale and all that stuff. So what the question is, should you buy now? Should you buy now? So, well, if you really have the strong urge to buy, I would always say, you know, the stock has run up a huge amount of gain. You know, this is not the best time to buy, but if you have to buy, always make sure you allocate some money that you will react with if the one you have, if the position you have taken up doesn't go in your direction. Always leave some money on the sidelines to react. And then if you're already there, that's the other question. What do you have to do? You know, it's up to you. You can decide to sell. You can decide to take some money off the table and see how things go. You know, I must tell you that we are also strongly, we have the strong urge to get involved. We have the strong urge to buy. You know, the case is quite compelling. At the same time, the risk of dilution is there and all that stuff, because they would definitely need money to get this to complete this deal and all that stuff. So you decide, you know, balance it, decide what you're going to do based on all the information you gather out there. You know, our take is, if you have to buy, you know, don't put all your money, just a small amount of money, and see how things go, and also have some on the sidelines to react. If you're already there, you know, decide. You can decide to take some money off and see how things proceed from there. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.